Date night. It's a special occasion that deserves a touch of magic, and what better way to enhance your natural beauty than with makeup? Makeup is more than just colors on a palette. It's about self-expression, creativity, and feeling your absolute best. Think of makeup as a tool to enhance your features and bring out your inner radiance. It's about highlighting your natural beauty, not concealing it. When you feel confident in your own skin, it shows, and that confidence can make all the difference on a date night. Remember, the most important thing is to feel comfortable and beautiful in your own skin. Makeup should enhance, not mask your natural features. So, let's dive into the world of romantic and sultry makeup and create a look that will make you feel like the best version of yourself. Whether you're going for a soft and romantic vibe or a sultry and alluring look, the right makeup can make you feel empowered and ready to conquer the night. Before we dive into the exciting world of colors and textures, let's start with the essential first step, prepping your skin. Just like a painter prepares their canvas, creating a smooth and hydrated base is crucial for flawless makeup application. Start by cleansing your skin with a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities or leftover makeup. Follow with a toner to balance your skin's pH levels and tighten pores. Next, apply a lightweight moisturizer to hydrate your skin and create a smooth surface for your makeup. If you have dry skin, opt for a richer moisturizer, while those with oily skin may prefer a lightweight, oil-free formula. Don't forget to apply a lip balm to keep your lips hydrated and plump. Remember, well-prepped skin is the key to long-lasting and flawless makeup. By taking these simple steps, you'll create a perfect canvas for your date night masterpiece. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, and on a romantic date night, you want your eyes to captivate and mesmerize. Let's create an eye look that speaks volumes with its soft, romantic allure. Begin by applying a light, shimmery eyeshadow all over your eyelid, from your lash line to your brow bone. This will act as a base and create a subtle glow. Next, choose a warm, rosy pink eyeshadow and apply it to your crease, blending it upwards and outwards. To add depth and dimension, use a slightly darker shade of pink or a soft brown in the outer corner of your eye, blending it seamlessly into the crease color. For a touch of sparkle, apply a shimmery, champagne-colored eyeshadow to the inner corner of your eye and along your brow bone. Finally, finish with a few coats of your favorite mascara to lengthen and volumize your lashes. For a more dramatic look, consider applying false eyelashes. Section 4. Sultry Secrets Enhancing Your Natural Beauty. For a more seductive and alluring date night look, let's embrace the art of sultry eye makeup. This look is all about creating depth, smokiness, and a touch of drama. Start by applying a light eyeshadow primer to your eyelids. This will help create a smooth base for your eyeshadow and prevent creasing. Next, choose a warm, matte brown eyeshadow and apply it all over your eyelid from your lash line to your crease. Blend well to create a seamless base. Now it's time to add some depth. Take a darker brown or black eyeshadow and apply it to the outer corner of your eye, blending it inwards and upwards towards your crease. You can use a fluffy blending brush for a softer look or a smaller, more precise brush for a more dramatic effect. To enhance the sultry vibe, apply black eyeliner to your upper lash line, starting from the inner corner and extending slightly past the outer corner. For added drama, consider winging your eyeliner upwards. Section 5. Mastering the base, finding your perfect match. Now that we've created captivating eye looks, let's move on to creating a flawless base. Finding the perfect foundation for your skin type and tone is crucial for achieving a natural and radiant complexion. Begin by determining your skin type. Do you have oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, or sensitive skin? Once you've identified your skin type, you can choose a foundation that caters to your specific needs. If you have oily skin, opt for an oil-free or matte foundation that will help control shine and create a long-lasting finish. Dry skin types may prefer a hydrating or luminous foundation that will add moisture and create a dewy glow. Combination skin can benefit from a foundation that balances oil production and provides hydration where needed. When it comes to choosing the right shade, it's important to test the foundation on your jawline in natural light. The shade that disappears into your skin is the perfect match. Section 6. Skin deep tips for different complexions. Every complexion is unique and beautiful, and understanding your skin tone is key to choosing the right makeup shades that will enhance your natural beauty. If you have fair skin with cool undertones, opt for foundations and concealers with a pink or peachy base. For blush, choose rosy pinks or light peaches. When it comes to lipstick, cool-toned reds, pinks and berries will complement your complexion beautifully. For medium skin tones with warm undertones, foundations and concealers with a yellow or golden base are ideal. Warm-toned blushes such as corals and peaches will add a healthy flush to your cheeks. For lipstick, opt for warm reds, oranges and corals. Darker skin tones with neutral undertones can wear a wide range of shades. Foundations and concealers with a neutral or slightly warm base are flattering. Deep berries, plums and browns make stunning lipstick choices. Section 7. Embrace your inner radiance. Makeup as a confidence booster. As we reach the end of our date night makeup journey, remember that the most important thing is to feel confident and radiant in your own skin. Makeup is a powerful tool that can enhance your natural beauty and boost your self-esteem. When you feel confident, it shows in your posture, your smile, and the way you carry yourself. Embrace your individuality, experiment with different looks, and have fun with makeup. Whether you prefer a soft and romantic look or a sultry and alluring vibe, let your inner beauty shine through. Date night is an opportunity to celebrate your unique charm and create memories that will last a lifetime.